Hello everyone, this is my review of the Eufrozy Indoor Tabletop Fire Pit Bowl. It's a fantastic little addition to my home. It's compact, sleek, easy to use, making it perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere both indoors and outdoors. The design has a glass panel that looks modern and stylish. It's just the right size to fit in a small table and great for gatherings and relaxing with personal time. I love that it uses bioethanol, which makes it burn clean, smokeless, making it safe to use indoors without worrying about smoke. It's ideal for making s'mores with the family or just enjoying a peaceful flame on your balcony or patio. The fire pit is easy to set up, light up. The flame is beautiful, long lasting, decent amount of time, and I hope this review helps.